Morning class. Now this is our first video of chapter 17 construction from RS. In this we will learn how to draw a line parallel to a given line and passing through a given point. For this, like you can see, exercise 17a, first question, draw a line AB, take a point P outside it. This is given and you have to draw a line CD parallel to AB and passing through the point P. First, you people are already having a line AB. Let us draw line, not a line segment. So you can draw line of any measure. You are aware this not has a fixed length. Just draw a line AB. Take a point P outside it. You can take point P outside it wherever you want. Okay, after this we will start our construction. Yes, now take a point Q on AB. On AB, take a point Q. Okay, then join PQ. Our first step is join PQ. Take a point Q on AB and join PQ. Now next is with QS center and any radius. You have to follow the steps. With QS center and any radius, draw an arc to cut AB. Yes, you can see. Draw an arc to cut AB. Like this. At point R, AB at point R and QP at point S. Okay, AB at point R and QP at point S. Then with PS center, now radius is same, only you are supposed to change the center. With PS center and same radius, draw an arc cutting QP at T. Same radius, cutting QP at point T. Okay class. Now with TS center and radius equal to RS. Now take radius equal to RS with TS center and radius equal to RS. Cut an arc. Draw an arc to cut the previous arc at U. Then join PU and produce it on both sides. Join PU and produce it on both sides to get a required line CD parallel to AB. Getting class? Have a look again what we have done. A line AB and point P is already given. We have taken a point Q on AB, then join PQ, then taking Q as center with any radius, draw an arc to cut AB at point R and QP at point S. Then with the same radius and taking P as center, draw an arc cutting QP at point T. Then taking T as center and radius equal to QR, draw an arc. You can see cut the previous arc at point U. Then join PU and produce it on both sides to get the required line CD parallel to AB. Whatever you have done, you have to write same as in steps. Take any point Q on AB, join PQ. With Q as center and any radius, draw an arc to cut AB at R and QP at S. With P as center and the same radius, draw an arc cutting QP at T. These are the steps of construction. With T as center and radius equal to RS, draw an arc to cut the previous arc at point U. Join PU and produce it on both sides to get the required line CD parallel to AB. These are the steps of construction, which is same as we have construct. These are steps of construction. Okay class, have a look again for steps of construction. You have to write like this. Whatever you are doing, you have to write. Okay, now have a look for the next question. Yes, in question number 2 and 3, there are 3 questions in all in exercise 17.8. Second question, draw a line AB and draw another line CD parallel to AB at a distance of 3.5 cm from it. Question number 1 and 2, the only difference is this, that now you are having the particular distance. Getting? You are aware that this distance must be perpendicular distance. And same as in question number 3, draw a line L and draw another line M parallel to L at a distance of 4.3 cm from it. Both are same. Let us do question number 2. Yes class, question number 2. Draw a line AB. First, it is given already a line AB. Let us draw a line AB. Then take any 2 points P and Q on AB. Let us take point P and point Q on AB. With P as center, first we will construct right angles on both of these points P and Q. Let us construct angle of 90 degree on both of these points. You are already aware how to construct right angle. Either take first 60, 120 and bisector, or either directly 180 bisector, 0 and 180. Yes class, how to construct an angle of 90 degree you have already learnt in standard 6 also. Yes, let us label it as angle BPE and BQF. Okay, APE. This one is angle APE, AP, let us label it as E, and this one is BPQ. Label it as Q. BPF, APE, both of these are perpendiculars. Now next step is PS center and radius equal to 3.5. Taking PS center and measure your radius as 3.5. You can see how to measure. Measure your radius equal to 3.5. Cut an arc on PE at point C, and with Q as center and with same radius 3.5 cm, cut an arc QD on QF. Label it as C and this one as D. Join CD. Now join CD and produced it on either side to get the required line parallel to AB. Now this one is your line parallel to AB. Okay class, at a distance of 3.5 centimeter. Again have a look what we have done. We have to write down as it is. Just first is take any 2 points P and Q on AB. Second one is construct angle APE and BQF equal to 90 degree. APE BQF, both perpendiculars 90 degree. Next one is with PS center and radius equal to 3.5 centimeter, cut PE at C. Taking PS center, cut an arc radius equal to 3.5 centimeter, cut PC. PE पे आप cut करें, you have to label it as C. And with the same radius, taking Q as center, cut QF at point D. Getting? Now join CD, and this is the required line parallel to AB, which is parallel to AB. Okay class, now we'll do our next exercise in next video. You have to write down the steps of construction as you are doing. You can have a look for steps of construction again if you want. There are 5 steps of construction. Whatever you are doing, whatever you are constructing, you have to write down same. No need to cram these steps. You have to write it yourself as you are doing. You have to write down same as. You can write in your own language. Okay class.